Hey folks, how you doing today? So another nice trade stimulator, continuing on them. What this is, a 1935 Groetchen gumball trade stimulator. These trade stimulators were used as these little ones like this in place of a real slot machine, because a bar owner could buy one of these for like 1/5 of what you could buy a payout machine for. And these were an over-the-counter hand pay game. The nice thing about these is, unlike regular old slot machines, is this machine will take penny, nickel, dime, and quarter, and then they pay you accordingly with whichever denomination coin you played. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a spin. We're going to run a nickel through it. This spins really super nice. Every time you play this machine, you can get a gumball, okay? And you have to take the gumball out because it doesn't automatically dispense it. So let's go for another nickel. Runs good, beautiful, another gumball machine. It's got nice original reel tapes in it, as well as a nice original award card. Now it's in the award card which the payout is in there, because it will say in the fortune like 2, 4, 8, 12, 20, because there's a little fortune here, and that's what tells you the amount of money which you would receive. Jeff will get a close-up on that and you will see it in there. Also, back here on the side of it is where the operator would take a look in this little window right here, okay? And as you probably, if you can tell, if you can see, there is a nickel in there. So if you won, the operator would pay you a nickel. So every time that you play it, this coin goes away and the last coin played goes up. There is our quarter. So if you won with a quarter, he would pay you in quarters. The beauty of this game, take penny, nickel, dime, quarter, and the bartender would pay you accordingly. This machine is really, really super nice. It's all been polished, it's beautiful inside. This is where you load your gumballs, okay, to keep the gumballs full. And I'll show you in here, it does have a nice original lock in it, which is pretty cool. If I can see here, and put my glasses on. And this particular machine is almost like brand new. Beautiful. Just a beautiful machine. So a 1935 Groetchen gumball trade stimulator, penny, nickel, dime, quarter, original paper, all polished, everything functions beautifully. And if you buy this before noon, we'll get it out the same day. And don't forget, we're doing restorations, one-stop shop. If you got something somewhere you'd like to have restored, we can pick it up in another state, bring it here, restore it, and deliver it to your home. So keep that in mind, folks, and thanks for watching the videos. This is a cool little game.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.